Reports in January indicated that Apple and LG Display were in talks for the South Korean company to provide OLED panels for use in the so-called iPhone X Plus that will come as part of this year's iPhone line. The idea was to diversify Apple's screen supply and reduce its dependence on rival Samsung electronics. LG is struggling with the production of quality panels, putting Apple's plans in jeopardy. Citing people familiar with the matter, The Wall Street Journal reports manufacturing problems, indicating that LG may not be ready for the start of mass production of the iPhone in July. The opinions, according to reports, are divided into Apple as to whether LG Display will be able to make the phones in time for this year's line. The problem is that LG Display specializes in TV-size OLED panels, of which it is the world's leading provider, although the company has not yet established the production of screens the size of a smartphone. The reports in 2017 indicated that LG would not be ready to manufacture iPhones until 2019, although in December it was reported that LG had an agreement to enter the supply chain. Apple is in a disadvantageous negotiating position when dealing with a single provider for OLED screens, which is one of the most expensive parts of high-end iPhones. To complicate matters, Samsung, the provider, is also Apple's main competitor of hardware in smartphones. Meanwhile, LG Display, also based in South Korea, is a big rival for Samsung. Apple is expected to manufacture about 100 million iPhones this year, according to analysts' consensus, with about half of those using OLED displays.